In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new chart in MT4. Now, the easiest way to do this is using this Market Watch tab over here. So if you can't see it, you want to go to the top here and click on this button to enable Market Watch, or press Ctrl+M on your keyboard, or just go to View and click on Market Watch. Now, from here, to add a new chart, you want to find whatever asset you want to show the chart off. So in my case, I'm going to go with XAUUSD here, of course, which I have already, and I want a new one, which is going to be GBP USD. So I'm just gonna right click and click on chart window, and as you can see, a new chart is gonna be added for that specific asset. Now down here at the bottom, I can now switch between these charts, and if I open multiple, like for example this one as well, oops, not new order, but you have to click on chart window, and if I go with this one over here as well, I now have 4 of them, and I can go and just click between them and switch the charts, and of course I can view them like that. Now you could also go to window over here, and you can go and kind of view them all together. So we can go and click on tile windows like this. You could use the tile horizontally or tile vertically, okay? You could also cascade to actually open one behind the other. And yeah, those are all the ways you could do this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.